All right, inspecting a 2013 Honda Pilot pre-purchase inspection. Here are the things that we're looking for. Taking a look at the Driveline boots to make sure that there's no tears. The suspension actually looks like it's been replaced. To include the sway bar links on both sides have been replaced. The brake pads themselves have been replaced as well, with the discs in good condition, no warpage or heat signature seen causing braking issues. Exhaust looks to be in good condition other than surface rust, which is common with the vehicles, but no apparent leaks going through the entire exhaust system, which would have telltale signs of black coming out through the holes, but we're not seeing anything there. All the way to the back, and the exhaust looks like it's in good shape on both sides. Rear suspension, driver's side, shocks do show surface rust but do not show leaking. Springs look to be in good condition. Sway bar links look as if they've been replaced recently. The rear calipers have been replaced on both sides with new pads and discs, so that's in good condition. Tires have been replaced and rebalanced by some other company, so we can't see any of the tire wear issues that could be there from alignment issues, but we are in good shape. All the bushings appear to be in good shape, to include the ball joints here, sway bar links there and there. The shocks look to be in good condition. Tie rod struts look to be good. No visible leaks on the underside of the vehicle from power steering, oil, transmission. Everything on the bottom side looks to be in healthy condition for visual inspection. Outside of vehicle, we don't see any major damage to the vehicle other than some paint issues on the door here. And as you come along the back fender, you can see where it's been crumpled in, so the fiberglass is cracked to that, but the sensors look like they're in good shape. More paint issues. And as we come along this side, everything looks to be in pretty good shape other than some more paint along the window channel that has cracked and is peeling off, and some random dings in the paint here and there. Top side of engine bay, we did notice that you are missing the hardware that seals your air filter box. 3 are missing, 1 is there. Otherwise, top of the engine looks to be in good condition. Don't see any visible leaks on the outside of the engine, but we did also notice that the power steering is over serviced, which could be just fault or somebody made a mistake or whatever. And you are missing the cap on your AC. It is considered a secondary sealing surface, and so I would recommend that you can go to O'Reilly's and pick up a set of caps and just put one on, or the junkyard, and they're pretty much universal for all of these vehicles. But everything else in the engine bay looks to be in good condition. The air filter was brand new. Oil levels are good. Transmission level was good. All lights work for turn signals, headlights, high beams, low beams. So that's the end of that.